Okay, sorry for the background noise here. A couple things to remember about this. Number one, this is in radical form. Let's call this a to the x radical y. That's always going to be converted by putting your inside on top and your outside on bottom. Done. So just kind of look at that form, match up here. Number two, which is expression is equivalent to this. The one thing that I would tell you as kind of option here is that we've got 7 to the 1 and x to the 1/5. Since that 1/5 is only going to the x, okay, I want you to think about where that x is going to go and where that 7 is going to go. Okay. Now moving on to question 3. We're talking about logarithmic form. And so in order to put something into logarithmic form, we got to identify a couple of things. The base, the exponent, and let's say our answer. We got a base of 3, exponent of x plus 2, and that c term would be 12. So in this way, when we turn things into log, we just drop a log down there. Whatever our base is becomes the bottom, whatever our answer is, that goes there, and then our exponent is the answer. So this is kind of reversal with exponents and answers. So take a look at this form and see what is the base, right? The 3 is the base. Think about where that 3 goes. The x plus 2 is our exponent. Think about where that goes. And then finally, the 12 is our answer. So think about where that goes. Okay. Clearing this, moving on to the constructor response problem down here. A lot of things that we've got to do. Let's take a look at an example that would be very, very similar here. Let's say x to the 1/3 all raised to the 4th power all over, let's say, the 5th root of x squared. If I had something like this, first thing I would do is I'd multiply the 4 on the inside, make that 4 to the 4/3, and I would rewrite the bottom as an exponent, top numerator, bottom denominator, right? That's just rewriting in radical form. And then from here, since now I have them both in those, I need to subtract these. And so I've got to do 4/3 minus 2/5. Get common denominators, that would be 20 over 15 minus 6 over 15, and that's going to be 14/15, which would be our final answer. Okay, so just kind of consider the steps here. What was the first step? I distributed the 4 in. This is a very similar example. I rewrote this as a fractional exponent, and then I subtracted those exponents. Think about those 3 steps separately and execute those 3 steps on your own problem. That is page 1.